Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna go ahead and give you a brief video on when to hold a stock or when to just let it go, sell it out to get some returns, save some gains. So let's get started. Now my previous videos has been on stock splits, taking advantage of stock splits, making some gains and returns anytime it's been announced and when it actually occurs. Now the question now that has been bothering a lot of people is, should you hold it after it's been announced when you get into the market, or should you sell it off before the split actually occurs, or should you hold it after the split occurs? Now that actually depends on what you want to achieve. If I'm actually looking for short-term returns, I'll just get in, and once it's been announced that there's going to be a stock split, because usually when a stock split is announced, the stock goes up. But I'll just get in if I'm looking for short-term returns, get in, make some gains and get out. Now if I'm holding the stock for a longer period of time, when should I sell it? That's a huge question that can only be answered by you. And this actually depends on the particular stock you are buying, or you are trading on, or you are investing in. If I'm investing in Nvidia and Nvidia announces stock split like just they did and the stock price shoot up, I'll just keep it for a longer term. The reason being that Nvidia has a huge potential for growth. The AI stuff coming in and it's been booming, and there's a wild area to invest in AI. Because today if I jump in on YouTube right now and everything is about AI videos. I got tons and tons of AI videos popping up on my screen every day, and Nvidia has been a huge player in this. So that clearly shows you there's a huge potential for growth. So if I am actually investing in Nvidia, I'll actually hold it for a longer term. Now that depends on me. No, you might not think the same. You might want a shorter returns. Perfect. Now if you want a shorter returns, just get in when the stock is announced and get out. Get in after the split occurs, hold it for a little while, and if you see that it's been dangling down a bit, sell it off to keep some gains. So holding a stock for a longer term, holding it for a shorter terms actually depends on what you want to do. If we take a look at Tesla right here, Tesla actually announced their stock split on August 5th 2022. Now if we are looking for Tesla, this is August, let's look for August 5th 2022. Now this was when Tesla announced their stock split, and we could clearly see that right after the announcement it shoot up a little bit. And if I'm somebody looking for a shorter returns, I'll just get in when it was announced and hold it for it to rise up a little bit, and then once I see it's going to fall, I'll just sell it out, because I am actually looking for a shorter returns. But if I'm looking for a longer returns, I might keep it until the split actually occurs or afterwards. So should you hold it for a longer term, or should you hold it for a shorter term? Now that depends on the strategy you want to go in for, and I'll say There are some stocks that are much better than the others in terms of potential for growth, and if you see a stocks like that, is a definitely hold it for a while, and then once it rises up, you can sell it later on. If I'm talking about stocks like Chipotle, I'm talking about stocks like Broadcom, I'm talking about stocks like Nvidia, Google. There are stocks like that you feel like they do have a huge potential for growth. It's a definitely keep for a little while to get more gains, and then you can sell it off. But if I'm trading on stocks like Tesla do has a huge potential though, but volatility or the fluctuation level of Tesla is unpredictable. You could clearly see here that even after the August 22nd, you could clearly see that even after the announcement of the split, right here, it shoot up, and it's been dangling down, up and down, and so it's super volatile. So I'm not gonna put my money on Tesla right after the split, or right after an announcement, to keep it for a longer term, because Tesla is super unpredictable. If I'm going into Tesla, I'll just keep it for a shorter term. When I see gains, I sell it out. Because you can see, if Tesla was here when it was announced that it's going to do a stock split, and I hold it for a longer term, and I'm right here now, I'm losing out. So you should know what kind of stocks that you should hold for more returns or more gains, and you should know stocks that you should sell off to get returns on a shorter term. So that actually answers the question, when should I sell it off, when should I hold it? It depends on the particular stock. It depends on the potential for growth for that particular stock, and how the stock has been moving upward or moving downward, and that will give you a clear scenario whether to hold it or to sell it off right after the announcement of the split. So that's that. Make sure you use it. Think about that. Short-term returns, get in, get out. Long-term returns, make sure you know the particular stock you're trading on, investing in, working on, to get more gains. No, we are here to get more gains. We are not here to make any losses. Of course, we will lose, but the gain should be more than the losses. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow for more videos. Catch you in the next one.